It's Monday, October 9th, just following up on the SPY. This is a 15-minute chart. I decided to break even on this one. I bought it here. I discussed in the first video on the breakout of bar one. I was watching it very closely on that breakout just to kind of see how it would unfold, the way it kind of paused here, and then it started up and then immediately came back into the range. This is the 1-minute chart. So I just literally broke even on that. Bought some 425 calls at 6.15 and I sold them at 6.15. In other words, I wanted to see immediate follow after this kind of pause on bar one and then starting up. This should have continued higher right to the close of yesterday. I was going to scale out there, set up an O's trade, and when I saw that immediately begin to fail, I just wanted to watch it a little closer. And another reason too is I'm watching a lot of other stocks that started up and are coming down, and anything Google coming down. So I'm watching a lot of that, and I see a little weakness coming into the market. Stocks that started up are heading lower. So the SPY is kind of stronger index right now compared to some of the other stocks, but I want to see if it kind of holds the midpoint of that bar. If you didn't, break even here, if you want to go, then right about here, you're watching it very closely. Either it's going to hold here at the midpoint of that bar and continue higher, or you just got to exit and wait for it. I still, if this can hold in here and then start back up, I could rebuy it. But for now, I just want to, I just was very nimble about it, just given the conditions in play. This is a broadening bar, from yesterday, 3 bars. So that doesn't necessarily mean it has to take out that high. It could just be higher highs here on a shorter term basis and lower lows. So, and it's a tricky, international environment, that type of thing. So anyway, broke even, just wanted to point that out. Sometimes you got to just know the context. Obviously we're heading lower now. So we'll see what happens here on this SPY. It's not going to be a simple day to trade. We're not breaking through the intraday highs or the intraday lows. We're kind of stuck in the middle, holding above the midpoint of the prior day. So I'll just watch for, if we can get kind of a pause in here and break out to the upside, I could rebuy it. If not, I'm not really going to sell it either. So we're just going to have to watch and see what happens as the morning goes on.